Thank you, Daniele, and thank you, Tiziana, for the presentations. Very insightful as well, with quite a lot of good information. I've seen that there are questions already in the chat, so then for the speakers, if you can help address them, that would be great, and we try to address them otherwise at the end. And now we move to the next speaker, is Giuseppe Estivo, and he's employed by the Metropolitan City of Torino, so we'll get the city perspective, and is part of the Sustainable Mobility Project unit, and he supports development of projects for last mile logistics and mobility as a service policies. Indeed, he is experienced in also European research, and he has participated through the Department of City of Turin in many projects like Novelog, Social Cars, iMove, Soles, Suites, Steve, and Harmony. And he was in charge of experimental project of City of Turin on the rationalization of the delivery goods within STL, restricted traffic zone, that national ministry mentioned in 2016. And actually, City of Turin received a logistics innovation award for the implementation of these research and innovation results. So then I'm happy to have you here, Giuseppe. And since 2017, he is responsible for the City of Turin implementation of the first living lab on mobility as a service in Italy. And you know, City of Turin is an important city, and it gathers 312 municipalities. So then I guess this is not bringing a little bit of complexity. So Giuseppe, the floor is yours.
Yes, thank you very much for the presentation. And first of all, I would like to thank Region Piedmont for this invitation. And now I try to share my. Can you hear me?
Sure.
Okay.
Hear you.
Because I have a problem with this day. Okay. If you will, this is my presentation. Okay. Just a moment. Okay, fantastic. Okay, my presentation today, the topic is the Metropolitan, the Sustainable Logistic Plan of Metropolitan City of Torino, and only two words on Metropolitan City Torino. Metropolitan City Torino is a territory entity, and is a very strange area because include more municipalities, about 312 municipalities, and in this area live about 2,000,000 inhabitants, and is a particular area because there is a urban area, a big urban area, then live about 1.5 million people. Then have a peri-urban area, and this area include also mountain area and rural area, and so include area with low demand, transport demand. Why today I speak you on Metropolitan Logistic Plan? Because for national law, Metropolitan City is the entity entity in charge to implement the SAMP. And the Metropolitan City of Torino implement our SAMP, and in July this is the year, the Metropolitan Council approved this new plan, and this new plan included three sector plan: the logistic plan, the accessibility plan, and the metropolitan DC plan. In September, we started to work on a logistic plan. What is a logistic plan? For us, the logistic plan is a metropolitan for sustainable logistics in an integral part of the SAMP. It is a sector-specific plan for the management of logistic process and for design of solutions within a medium-term time horizon, as well as tool aimed at providing a vision of the system and the common object of the territory, tailor-made solution and service for operators, reduction of environmental and energy impacts, and a roadmap for infrastructural institutional adopting. About the guideline, then we follow. Sure, we will follow the guideline from European Union and Transport Ministry. The Metropolitan.
Sorry to disturb you. There is. It seems that when you present, there is a zoom in some of the slides. We cannot see complete, and so then if you could try to restart again, or maybe share it without the presentation mode, because sorry for disturbing.
Sorry, but there is a problem. Noise. I'm sorry today, but I have a problem in my home today. I have a plumber today in my home. There is nothing today. Okay. Can I go?
If you could just restart your screen, so then you don't share anymore, and you try to restart. And I know Marcia, that it's more experienced in Zoom, can help how to do that.
I hope, but I think it's the problem is really in PowerPoint. You need to go back.
I don't know.
I can stop the sharing.
Don't you watch my presentation?
We do.
Yes, but only a part. It's not
only a part. I'm sorry. I try to. Now it's better.
Now we can see it. Maybe you can present it like that then, but then just close this. I don't know what's the name of it, but cambio.
Cambio dispositiva.
Yeah.
If you do that small.
No, on the right side.
On the right side.
On the right side, but this is not a normal program. It's not a program. It's not PowerPoint program. My Microsoft is a LibreOffice and is different.
Okay.
I try. Okay. You watch it.
Yeah, it's the same. No, it's the same. So then I suggest you continue where you were.
I have the slides here as PDF. Maybe I can just share the screen until
maybe
you tell
Felix
me.
can help.
Yeah, sure.
That would be better, actually. Felix, thank you for this. Felix is going to share the presentations for you, Giuseppe.
Okay, fantastic. Better for me. Okay. Okay.
I think you need to go ahead, Felix.
Okay. Next. Okay. The guideline. Okay. The next. Okay. The implementation phase. The implementation will follow the LTIS guideline. Okay, and we followed the implementation phase in this mode. The first analysis, we work on analysis of the regulatory framework. Then we work analysis of the planning framework. We work on the mobility offer analysis and the socio-economic data analysis. After we work on analysis of demand for mobility, then it's very important we work, we organize more workshop to dialogue with the stakeholder to understand the definition of a critical issue and impact. Then we work on definition of KPIs, but the KPIs in truth the work is done because the KPI is a national KPI and this KPI we found in the national law. Then we work on the strategy and the measure. And the last, we work on the definition of the monitoring system. Okay. About our work, we work on two focus. The main focus we work will be the listen to the needs of supply chain, and we hope to support the circular economy action with this plan. Okay, I finished. I'm sorry for this problem.
No worries at all, Giuseppe. I think it was very clear how you address how you do actually address the metropolitan and city area to reduce and decarbonize and get to zero emissions. So